Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a man named Ananda. Ananda, meaning bliss in Sanskrit, was a kind and cheerful soul who had earned his name through his unwavering commitment to staying happy, regardless of life's challenges. Ananda's village was home to a revered Buddhist monk known for his wisdom and teachings on the art of happiness. People from neighboring villages would travel to seek his guidance. One day, Ananda decided to visit the monk, seeking not just advice but a deeper understanding of the secret to eternal happiness. Upon reaching the monk's hermitage, Ananda was welcomed warmly. The air was filled with tranquility as the monk, with a serene smile, invited Ananda to sit and share his concerns. Ananda spoke of the ups and downs he had faced in life, the challenges that often left him feeling despondent. He expressed his earnest desire to learn how to stay happy, irrespective of external circumstances. The wise monk listened intently, nodding occasionally, his eyes reflecting a profound understanding of human nature. When Ananda finished, the monk began to share a parable. Ananda, life is like a river, with its ebbs and flows. Imagine a lotus flower floating on the water. The lotus is rooted in the mud at the river's bottom, but its pristine petals remain untouched by the murky water. In the same way, you must learn to remain untainted by the challenges life presents. He continued, happiness is not about avoiding difficulties but about navigating them with grace. In every situation, remember the lotus. Root yourself in the understanding that circumstances, like muddy waters, may be beyond your control, but your response is entirely within your grasp. The monk shared teachings on mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion, guiding Ananda toward a deeper understanding of the impermanence of both joy and sorrow. He emphasized the importance of staying present and finding joy in the simple moments, regardless of life's unpredictable twists. Inspired by the monk's words, Ananda decided to incorporate these teachings into his life. He began practicing mindfulness, appreciating the beauty around him, and responding to challenges with a heart full of compassion. Over time, Ananda noticed a profound shift within himself. He became a source of positivity for the villagers, radiating joy even during turbulent times. His newfound happiness wasn't dependent on external factors but rooted in his ability to embrace life with equanimity. Word of Ananda's transformation reached neighboring villages, and people started seeking his advice. Ananda, now a beacon of happiness, shared the monk's teachings and the wisdom he had acquired through his journey. And so, the village of Ananda became a haven of joy, where people learned the art of staying happy, no matter what the situation was. The monk's teachings, embodied by Ananda, continued to ripple through the community, reminding everyone that true happiness is an internal journey, one that transcends the fleeting nature of external circumstances.